Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is just gonna be a little quick video. As you can probably tell by the thumbnail, I can't show y'all the truck yet. I gotta tell you what's going on. So you can probably tell by the thumbnail what happened to the truck. So we're no longer a fishbowl anymore. Let me show you guys. So we got the windows tinted, and let me just say, night and day difference. Night and day. Yeah, I mean, it completely changed the look of the truck. I mean, the lift, the window tint, I mean, it's a completely new truck, honestly. I do want to get a new grill for this thing. I did see that they sell like one with the chrome in the center right here instead of black. So I am going to get that. I'm going to get me a new license plate. That was the original one that the truck had when I purchased it 2 years ago. So yeah, I'm going to change that license plate out. I only left it on there because the blue kind of matched the truck. So you know what, let's leave it on there. I do want to get new mirrors because these aren't like shiny black. So I want to get those, that way they're nice and shiny, they look good. Got a lot of stuff planned for this truck, man. But yeah, this is just going to be a little short video, essentially just showing you guys how it looks with the window tint now. I do got another video that I'm going to make right after this one, which I think a lot of you guys will enjoy, because this is going to be like, I've never seen a radio like this before. And I think this is going to look really good. I don't know if it's going to look as good as that side exit, but it's going to look good. So yeah, that's essentially what this video is about. Just showing you guys the windows that they're tinted. And let me know what you guys think. How's this thing coming together? I'm starting to like it, honestly, more than my other trucks now. I don't know. I feel like I treat my older trucks better than my new truck. Like when I get in the Ram, I dog that thing. Like I get on it from the start, from the time I leave the house, when I get on the road, to the time I get back. I guess because it's under warranty, I don't know. But like the GMC and this truck here, like I baby these things. Like I wash them just about every weekend. The Ram, it gets no love. Like it sits under that shelter 90% of the time. But yeah, I don't know if any of you guys are like that, but I don't know if it's just because the truck, like I said, is under warranty or what, but I definitely treat my older trucks better than the new one. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, man. How'd it turn out? I think it looks really good. And that lift, man, it's honestly taller than what I expected. It's the same height. When I put 35s on this thing, it's gonna be the same height as a GMC, 100%, and probably the Ram too. The Ram's hood is a little bit taller than both trucks. So I think that's why the Ram looks taller. It's just because the hood's so tall. But I think once I get 35s on this truck here, it's gonna lift it up quite a bit. Because what I got on here now is just some 235, 75, 15s. So I mean, these tires are like not even a 33 or a 31. I mean, they're like super small. So yeah, once we get a 35 on this thing, it's gonna bring it up a little more, make it look taller, essentially. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoy, hit that like button, subscribe, and like I said, I got a lot more stuff coming for this thing. We got something coming for the Ram as well. The GMC, don't got anything coming for it, besides the video that you guys are probably gonna see before this one with the door handles that I put on there. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.